So we are in the town of Coimbra in Portugal, and once again we are going to put Rick Steves to the test, and we're going to follow along his guidebook, and we're going to walk up through the old city and make our way up to the university, where we're going to visit the famous library. And this is stop one. We're at this Ponte de Santa Clara, and it's the bridge over the river here in Coimbra. Of course, every good walk must start with some pastries. These are the specialties of Coimbra. What is that? Pastel de Portugal.
And we had some guests join us in the table next to us.
After some delicious pastries, we're going to head up to spot number 3, Praça de Comerciais.
Just off the main walking street, there's a set of stairs that takes you down to the Praça de Comerciais.
One thing I am really liking about this square is this abundance of Korean fried chicken, which I think we're going to have to explore a little bit later. At the end of the square is the Igreja de São Tiago. So back up on the walking street is stop number 4, the old Chiado department store with these beautiful red iron balconies.
During the school year, you will almost certainly come across these bands of student musicians.
So we are continuing along this walking street, and just when you get up here to the corner, you look up and you see the very famous Arco de Almedina. And we're going to be coming down this at the end of our walking tour. The walking street ends here at number 7, the Church of Santa Cruz, and we're going to go in and have a look. It's set in a beautiful square here. Let me show you.
So we spent a lot of time at the Church of Santa Cruz. Wow, it is really beautiful. And we paid €4 to walk around through the monastery. Well worth it. And we spent so long there. We basically come almost to the end of our day, but we're going to do one more stop on this walking tour. We're going to go to number 8, the Jardim de Manga, which is just right around the corner from the church. What a pretty Renaissance garden we have here. Jardim de Manga, right around the corner from Santa Cruz Church, and stop number 8 on this tour we're doing here today. Wow, it's just lovely. So yesterday we ended our walking tour at stop 8, right here at the Jardim de Manga. And that's where we're going to start again today. And we're going to make our way up the hill, and we're going to spend time at the university and before we head back down into the old town. And just around the corner you reach the Mercado Municipal, which is actually stop 9, but it's a Sunday and so it's closed. So we're going to have to skip this stop. Now here is a thing of supreme beauty. This elevator is going to take us to the top of the hill, saving many steps. Here is me standing in front of the elevator that's not working. We're going to have to walk all the way up to the hill. Oh well. Well, somehow we've gotten a little bit lost and we've missed number 12, the entrance to the university. And here we are at number 13. So we're just going to go with it and we are going to check out the old cathedral, number 13. And then we're going to go back and we're going to find the entrance to the university. The old cathedral here is a Romanesque building, actually built in the 12th century. Wow.
Now let's try and find the university.
So freaking finally, the Gate of Iron. Oh my goodness, the entrance to the university, and stop number 12 on our walking tour. And that was a steep hike up. I am looking forward to going down, but we're going to probably spend the next couple hours wandering around the university and seeing a couple museums and heading to the library.
So before heading into the famous library, we've decided to come to this science museum here at the university. And we are in the room, the Cabinet of Curiosities. This is reminding me of some kind of Victorian museum. Kind of interesting. I'm not sure what that is. So your tickets to the library also give you entrance to the Grand Palace. And yeah, we're going to have a look. From the halls of the Royal Palace, you get a great oversight into the Grand Hall, a ceremonial room. Don't miss coming out to the terrace where you just get a great look over the courtyard, down towards the river. Beautiful views. Right next to the library is St. Michael's Chapel. Wow.
Okay, our last stop at the university is going to be the King Jao Library, famous Baroque library here at the University of Coimbra.
We couldn't take pictures inside, but they did allow us a little sneak peek before leaving.
So 2 hours later, we have completed seeing the university and we haven't seen everything. But we're going to head back down through the old town and finish our walk and find something to eat. Oh, coming up was hard, but going down can be just as hard.
Just roll her.
Huh?
Just roll. Let it roll.
Okay, Steve wants me to roll. And we've done it. This is our final stop, the Arch of the Almudena. And Rick Steve says this walk takes about a couple of hours, but we have spent almost 8 hours walking it because we have stopped and seen everything. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed it. We certainly have.